Imagine having the power to boost your income, save for that dream vacation, or simply treat yourself with extra cash, all by just sharing your opinions. In this enlightening video, uncover the enjoyable and straightforward method of transforming your ideas into wealth. Bid farewell to financial anxieties and welcome an enriching side venture that seamlessly fits into your timetable. Begin generating income today by doing what you truly enjoy, voicing your thoughts. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Turn your opinions into cash. Welcome to Fortunable, the place where your opinions turn into cash. Earn up to $5 per answer. Fun and free to join. Fast and easy payment. With a wide range of online paid surveys, you can easily earn money in your spare time. It's simple. Complete a survey, earn money online. Whether you're looking to boost your income, save up for something special, or simply enjoy some extra cash, Fortunable is here for you. Surveys are simple and fun. There are no right or wrong answers. Just share your opinion about various products and services. Fortunable is totally free. You will never have to give any money to become a member or keep your account active. At Fortunable, you can earn money for free. For each survey you complete, you will be rewarded with real cash. When you're ready, you can transfer money right to your PayPal or Paysari account. Anyone can make money online with Fortunable paid surveys, regardless of their background or circumstances. Fortunable platform is tailored to cater to the unique needs of various groups, including students looking to earn as they study, seniors seeking to make money in retirement, and stay-at-home parents juggling household responsibilities. Fortunable isn't exclusively beneficial to specific groups. It operates on the belief that every individual, irrespective of their financial standing, should have the opportunity to earn money online. Whether you're dealing with unforeseen expenses, saving towards a unique objective, or simply desiring additional income, Fortunable is open to all who are pursuing financial independence. Earning income online through Fortunable is straightforward and uncomplicated. It doesn't require any previous experience with surveys or specialized equipment. Simply register your account at no cost, sit back comfortably, and provide your candid views on a variety of subjects when you receive the surveys. Fortunable offers an easy way to earn real cash and transfer it right to your online pocket. Each survey you complete will increase your earnings even more. Once you reach the payment threshold, you have the flexibility to withdraw your money directly to PayPal or Paysari with just one click. There is also an option to get paid in vouchers. The choice is yours. Whether you want to make money as a student or stay-at-home parent, Fortunable is the place for you. Don't miss out on this chance to earn money online with Fortunable. Sign up now and start earning cash for sharing your valuable opinions. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.